Hey there, YouTubers. Well, we're back here with the Polaris Ranger 1000 Premium UTV, and since I bought it, I've been doing a lot of different accessories to it here and there. And we did add the canvas steel frame doors, and I also added a directional kit. But today we are going to be putting together a plow. So why did I buy this plow? It's a 6-foot plow. And it came in only really 3 pieces, and it looks like it's going to be really easy to assemble. So you have the plow blade, then you really have this plow frame right here, and then it also came with the attachment to attach the ATV, and it has directions. So came in 3 different boxes, and it's really just the 3 different parts with the springs there. It looks like it's going to be an easy install. And why did I buy this? Well, because when I looked at the Polaris Glacial plow, and this isn't a compare one versus the other, except for price. And what it was Super ATV just happened to be having a sale on this, and so it was $719. And then I also had a promo code that I was able to use with it that has since expired, but I was able to get 10% off of that. So I was able to get this plow for like $640. And attaching the plow blade to the plow frame, relatively easy. Just gonna pick up the parts. I mean, best to lay the blade down, but you pick up the plow frame, and the parts are heavy, but they're light enough for one person to handle by themselves. And you're gonna put an eyelet facing the plow blade, attach a nut to it, and the spring put through there, and then just wrap around the top there. Now this is really loose, and then you can adjust those to make them how tight you want, and there's 2 of them. And then there are adjustable brackets, which are just these metal pieces with a nut and a bolt, and that's supposed to, I guess, adjust the angle of the blade. And so now I'm just going to tighten up these eyelets here to get the springs to the right tension I want, and that's going to be the plow with the plow blade. And doing now, I'm going to put the bracket on that's going to attach the plow to the UTV. All there is one bracket that attaches 4 screws here and sits on top 4 screws there. 4 bolts there. And then the other end, which are these things right here, pretty much just sit right in the UTV. So you just would bring this up, and there's a spot here and a spot there that you pretty much just bring this and attach them to there where you pull the pins out. So pretty much the newer Polarises, this right here is just, there's nothing really to do on the Polaris end. Now the other thing is there's a lot of hardware here, like, right here and right here, that you can see that they didn't tighten those down. Now a lot of this stuff is supposed to probably have some type of movement and swivel in it, and it doesn't have anything in directions about tightening them down. But I am going to tighten them down quality-wise. It's going to do the job. I mean, it's heavy. It's not the thickest metal. Some people that are, welding experts will probably say the welds are crap or something like that. But again, I'm not doing this professionally or commercially. I'm not looking to be doing parking lots with it. I'm looking to do my driveway, and it remains to be seen, but it feels like it's heavy enough that it's going to push some snow. And for something like this, like I said, it's going to pay for itself. So for $640, I'm going to have to give this a thumbs up. So very easy install, one person, minimal tools. The only thing I will say is you are probably going to need 2 ratchets and deep sockets, because some of the bolts are long, and so when you go to make adjustments on things, it's going to be helpful to have 2 ratchet sets. So hey, if you like this video, appreciate it. Please give a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching the video.